Yiba Kids. Hi! I'm glad you're here again. Now we're going to read words with two E's. There are a lot of words with two E's, but I separated the most common and included the important ones. It only sounds like a long E. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. B. B. C. C. P. P. Eel. Eel. Peel. Peel. Feel. Feel. Feet. Feet. Remember foot in words with two O's? If you're talking about only one, you say foot. If more than one, it's feet. We're not just learning reading here. I'm happy to explain it to you. Deer. Deer. Deep. Deep. Jeep. Jeep. Feed. Feed. Seed. Seed. Free. Free. Tree. Tree. Green. Green. Queen. Queen. Sheep. Sheep. Sleep. Sleep. Sweep. Sweep. Sweet. Sweet. Three. Three. Cheese. Cheese. Bin. Bin. Bin is a verb. It has a lot of meaning, to come and go, like has never been to the circus. Or continuous action, like I have been sleeping. And more. I have added this word because it's commonly used. Don't worry, you will understand this on our practice of sentences. For now, you will have the idea of reading this word. Bin. Great job! My goal is for you to have an idea how to read words with two E's. Especially if you encounter long words like referee, or 14, or teenager, and more. Isn't that great? I'm really proud of you. You can go to the next step with two vowels. Video link is in the description.